Okay, both a songwriter and a singer. And if you want to, I can sing too, right? Chỉ có lời ở câu không vì này. Right? Okay, good, Lisa.
Điều chi đó là thì cái phòng đấy về của trọng thái thái về rock and roll, yang rock thế, cái lúc xí hẳn đó là, như imagine là thì chỉ có internet, rồi bây giờ chỉ có lúc TV rồi bây giờ chỉ có cái Big Brother system, thì bây giờ especially trong cái ta nó chỉ có thì là nhiều cái case, cú là cái đồ cú show câu mà các sự cú chỉ sing, cú chỉ lót đi rồi thì cú show câu những điều ở bên trái đi ra và
We're introducing two presenters. The first presenter for the 80s is Steve Chow. So Steve runs Chat, all right? Center for Hmong Arts and Talent. Steve, the executive director of Chat. He does notable fashion shows like Fresh Tradition, illustrating the evolution style across various demographics. He also further enriches the community by coordinating music events.
Presenting tonight, we are so honored to introduce Laura Lee as one of the distinguished presenters for the 50th celebration of Hmong American music. With more than a decade of expertise in television and news, Laura is a respected Minnesota-based journalist.
Hey.
Celebrate all of our musical artists tonight and to celebrate 50 years of Hmong American spirit in the United States. The 1980s was this very special decade. In the 1980s, Hmong American music took bold new steps. It was the decade that we first introduced electric guitars, drum kits, and fearless new voices leading the way.
Era introduced us to Hmong rock bands, and for the first time, empowered female singers who stood front and center with strength and soul.
Tonight, we honor the artists of the 1980s, those who broke barriers, created new sounds, and forever changed the rhythm of Hmong music.
So our first awardee is Cao Nu Hyung.
Congratulations. Our next 1980s artist is Lee Thong.
He is A.D.
Congratulations, A-Lee. Our next artist is Song Ta Joshua. And we have a very special guest to present his award tonight.
Amazing decade. We are so blessed to have them here with us, and it's great for everyone to be able to see them. So the last one from our decade is the amazing Mali Hu.
Congratulations to our 1980s artists, pioneers of Hmong American music. American music. Artists and bands from this decade filled our living rooms, cassette tapes, remember those? And community gatherings with unforgettable songs that defined a generation. Their voices told the stories of love, of our identity, and growing up in two worlds. They were
Listening there!
What about the other two? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What happened to the other two?
Next up, please give a round of applause for Siley!
At first I thought it was Silly that died, and I was like, oh shit,
And during the 90s, all the way from France, STX!
And this last song, do you know them? The Sounders! Let's give them a moment to take a photo together. Honor this decade. 1990s. Keep your applause coming, everyone. Yeah, let's give them all right, thank you so much. The 1990s, everyone. Let's give it a moment.
Alright, I'm really not used to this thing, okay? Whatever Pete said, I'm just Diane. Well, I own Diane's place. If you haven't been there, come visit, okay? It's a Hmong American restaurant. So, I'm here to represent the 2000s, okay? The 2000s brought a fresh sound to Hmong American music, a bold new era where rhythm meets revolution. This decade introduced us to rap, hip-hop, R&B, giving voice to a new generation with powerful lyrics and urban beats. It was also the rise of new wave, gifted vocalists, producers, and musicians who redefined what home music could be. Musicians, swagger, and soul, and leaving a lasting impact on our cultural soundscape. And here are their artists. Delicious Venom. Is Pro J. The next one is one of my favorites. She and I have become really good friends, and I love her so much. Hanye Jean. Project. And the last one
in Hmong American music. Your favorite artists like David Yang, Dang Tao, Yasmin, and many others stepped into the spotlight with amazing, fresh creativity and authenticity.
Their music blended modern styles with cultural pride, bridging generations, breaking stereotypes, and reaching global audiences through digital platforms. During the darkest moments of my life, it was the music of this era that carried me through. It gave me strength, healing, and purpose.
They did not just make music, they made statements. Tonight, we honor the voices of the 2010s who redefined Hmong identity through their sound and gave our community something to believe in.
Are you guys ready to see the 2010 honorees? Before that, we got something special for y'all. All right, let's do a soul clap. Sorry, let me slippery over here. Here's our first honoree, David Yang.
Our next honoree, Death Rhyme.
Next up, Song Passion.
Our next honoree, Kool-Aid Cool.
Next up, we got Lily May.
The next honoree, Dina Tao.
And last but not least, Jay Banks.
Can we give all these honorees in 2010 another huge round of applause?
2020s, y'all got ready? Y'all ready for this? I love how far music has come, and we're in such a good place with Hmong music and music in general. So, hey, we're excited. These guys and the generations before has taken us and trailblazed, and it's becoming full circle, you know. So it's 20.
Feeling today. First of all, it's such an honor to be here, all the way from Fresno, California. I am so excited to be representing such profound artists within my decade. I feel old, but I think I'm still young.
My name is Galjia. I am Miss Hmong Minnesota representing Hmong Minnesota pageant. It's truly an honor to be here today. I'm so happy.
Our last decade, 50 years ago, Hmong American music began as humble recordings in living rooms and refugee camps. Today, in the 2020s, it stands tall on digital stages, global platforms, and mainstream charts.
This current generation of artists is more than just talented, they are visionary. They blend tradition with trend, language with innovation, and culture with confidence.
From viral hits to genre-bending collaborations, these musicians are showing the world that Hmong music is not just surviving, but we are thriving.
Tonight, we honor the artists of 2020 who are carrying our legacy forward louder and prouder than ever before.
With that, can we get a big round of applause and get ready to welcome all of our amazing artists?
Recognizing is Dr. James of DJB Rock.
Up next, we have a very, very well-known and native artist to Minnesota. He is known to
Next up, we have Surprise!
Our next artist is very well known for bringing light to body positivity. Her name is Treasure!
Next up, we have Colleen Universe!
Next up, we have V-Cha-Cha!
Next up, we have Tuisha!
The next artist we would like to recognize is Dochi! Next up, we have a group that is very dear to me. They are from my hometown, Fresno, California. Can we give it up for Sons of No Town? Our next artist is also, I believe she's another native from Minnesota, your very own G.Y.
And last but not least here, we have G. Gerber!
And actually, we have a very honorable award that we would like to recognize tonight before we close out. We have Immortal